Hello everyone! Ito naman ang inyong kaibigan, ka-lods, ka-friends, ka-brother. Always tell you, thank you so much for subscribe my YouTube channel and Reels support all. Thank you again. Voltage Spine and Ateneo PD, Ateneo Group of Company. Thank you so much for support, guys, mga kalods. Again, nandito tayo sa Ayala Mall, Quezon City, near of UP School, UP Diliman, Quezon City, mga lods. Ating busing ay magbubuksing ngayon. May schedule siya ngayon, mga lods. Kaya binag-upan natin ngayon. Thank you again, mga kalods, sa inyong walang tigil na suporta, lods. Guys, says Brad, advance Merry Christmas pala sa ating lahat. Happy New Year sa ating lahat. Sana itong Pasko ay maragdagan ang ating magandang alaala, magandang trabaho, magandang palisi, para masaya tayo nitong Pasko, lods. Thank you. Again, thank you so much, and shout out sa all seaman dyan, at mga land based dyan, mga friends, cousin, neighbor, ano pang hindi ko na banggit, mga lods. Pasensya na, hindi na banggit, lods, ha. Basta nasa puso ko kayo. Always and now and forever. Naomi Buslon. Naomi Buslon pala. Thank you so much sa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Again, kahit saan tayo sa mundo, lods, prayer is the best. Prayer is the number one. Protect. God protect all. Lord Jesus always save, care sa ating lahat. Dito ako sa parking, guys. Parking tayo kasi pasok sa tayo sa loob. Hanap po na tayo ng parking. So again, akyat tayo sa level 2. Nasa level 1, guys, loads. Sis, ayan. Dito tayo sa taas, level 2. Again, guys, so hindi pa nag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, walang iba, Julas Vlog and Jonathan Amila. Hindi nyo makita kasi minsan mas madali daw yung Jonathan Amila.
Be kind to one another and don't give in to fear. That's all that I am asking for Christmas time this year. We've had enough fighting and dying in the streets. For Christmas I just want a little peace. Be blind to one another. The differences are small. All of God across to bear. All of God are thoughts. once when we're affronted, can we turn the other cheek? For Christmas I just want a little peace. And if the fates should bless us with a moment of reprieve, we all could stand together in the silence and just breathe.